could be the result of another formula, it could be a cell reference. The fifth argument in this case is the match mode. So if I go to that argument, you can see there are 4 values that you can use. It could be exact match. Then the next 2 are approximate match, where it is going to look for the exact match, but it doesn't find the exact match. It is going to look for the next smaller value or the next larger value. And the fourth one is where you can use wildcard characters. And the last argument is where you specify how do you want to search, the direction of the search. So it could be first to last, which in a vertical lookup would be top to bottom or bottom to top. And then there is also binary search, which is a lot faster than regular search. But for this to work, you need to have your data sorted in either an ascending or a descending order. So these are the 6 arguments. Now let's jump into the examples and see how XLOOKUP function works. Here I have these names and I have their scores in these 3 subjects.